Shell Point, Florida's largest continuing care retirement community, houses approximately 2,400 residents in Fort Myers. This community has a large cooling tower system with 12 cells and 8,000 tons that serves their water-cooled chillers in order to provide air conditioning for all its residents. Unfortunately, even with two 475 GPM sand filters working with their sump sweep system, along with daily hand shocking of extra biocide chemical, Shell Point still experienced hard water scaling in the cooling tower fill and in the chiller condenser tubes, turbid water, and high bacteria counts. Easy Water received a purchase order for two CTF 360S skid-mounted treatment systems, a unique three-part solution for cooling tower treatment and filtration. First, Easy Water Sediment Shield, a sub-micron backwashing filter for the removal of sediment and bacteria. Second, Ultraviolet Chamber for bacterial sanitization. And third, Easy Water No Salt Conditioners to prevent and remove hard water scale deposits, biofilm, and bacteria. Our no salt conditioners have the added benefit of preventing the hot UV lamps from scaling. Our two CTF treatment systems went online December 17, 2020, and after only 2 weeks, they quickly produced impressive results. Bacterial dip slides went from 10 to the 5th power down to 10 to the 0 power, and algae, biofilm, and turbidity were also dramatically reduced. Shell Point has been very pleased with the results of Easy Water's CTF systems. Paul Bretones, the Shell Point Manager of Engineering, said, "The CTF system has exceeded my expectations." CTF is a complete cooling tower treatment solution that provides superior results and typically pays for itself in less than 2 years with only chemical and energy savings. Are you looking for cooling tower water treatment for your facility? Contact us today for a free estimate review for your project. Easy Water, the easy solution for water problems.